Understanding, first up, mastering English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common but interesting phrase, first up. If you've ever been confused about what it means or how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unravel its meaning and usage together. First up is a phrase used to indicate the first item on a list or the first topic in a series. It sets the stage for a sequence of events or points. This phrase is often used in both informal and formal settings, from casual conversations to organized presentations. Here, we'll see how first up can be used in various scenarios. In presentations, first up, let's discuss our marketing strategy. In cooking shows, first up, we will need 2 eggs and a cup of flour. In meetings, first up on our agenda is the budget report. In sports commentary, first up for the team is their star player. By seeing these examples, you can understand how versatile the phrase is. When using first up, be mindful of these common errors. Don't overuse. It should only be used for the very first point or topic. Context matters. Ensure it's suitable for the setting. It's less formal, so might not fit very formal or somber occasions. To expand your vocabulary, here are similar phrases. To begin with, firstly, to start, the first thing on our list. These can be used interchangeably depending on the context. I hope this video helps clarify the meaning and usage of first up. Remember, it's a handy phrase to structure your conversations or presentations, especially when listing or sequencing ideas. Keep practicing, and you'll master these nuances in no time. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.